Don't go changing to try to please me. You never let me down before. Don't imagine you're too familiar, and I don't see you anymore. I would not leave you in times of trouble. This I promise from the heart. I took the good times, I'll take the bad times. I'll take you just the way you are. I need to know that you will always be the same old someone that I knew. Ooh, what will it take to you believe in me the way that I believe in you? Ooh, ooh, ooh. I said I love you, and that's forever. This I promise from the heart. I could love you any better. I love you just the way you are. No, no, I don't want clever conversation. I never want to work that hard. I just want someone that I can talk to. I'll take you just the way you are. I just want someone that I can talk to. I'll take you just the way you are, the way you are.
You ask me if there'll come a time when I grow tired of you. Never my love, never my love. You wonder if this heart of mine will lose its desire for you. Never my love, never my love. What makes you think love will end when you know that my whole life depends on you? Da, 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 da. Never my love, never my love. You say you fear I'll change my mind, that I won't require you. Never my love, never my love, never my You're just too good to be true. Can't take my eyes off of you. You'd be like heaven to touch. I wanna hold you so much. At long last, love has arrived. I thank God I'm alive. You're just too good to be true. Can't take my eyes off of you. Part of the way that I stand, there's nothing else to compare. The sight of you leaves me weak. There are no words that can speak. But if you feel like I feel, please let me know that it's real. You're just too good to be true. Can't take my eyes off of you.
took those words comes the sun, and I say it's alright. Little darling, the smiles returning to the faces. Little darling, it seems like years since it's been here. Here comes the sun. Here comes the sun, and I say it's alright. That ice is slowly melting. Little darling, it seems like years since it's been clear. Here comes the sun. Here comes the sun, and I say it's alright. Here comes the sun. The sun, and I say it's alright. Here comes the sun, do-do-do. Here comes the sun, and I say it's warm smell of eucalyptus rising up through the air. Up ahead in the distance, I saw a shimmering light. My head grew heavy and my sight grew dim. Had to stop for the night. Then she stood in the doorway, heard the mission bell. I was thinking to myself, this could be heaven or this could be hell. Then she lit up a candle, she showed me the way. There were voices down the corridor, then I heard them say, welcome to the Hotel California. Such can find it here. Am I stiffened, interested? She got a Mercedes Benz. She got a lot of pretty, pretty boys. She got friends. How they dance in the courtyard, sweet, summer sweet. Some dance to remember, some dance to forget. So I called up the captain, please bring me my wine. He said he haven't had that spirit here since 1969. And still those voices are calling from far away. Wake you up in the middle of the night just to hear them say, welcome to the Hotel California. Such a lovely place, such a lovely face. They're living up at the Hotel California. What a nice surprise. Bring your alibis. Mirrors on the ceiling, deep champagne on lights. And she said, we are just prisoners here of our own device. In the master's chamber, gather for the feast. Stab it with their steely life, but they just can't kill the beast. Last thing I remember, I was running for the door. I had to find the passage back to the place I was before. Relax, said the nightman, we are programmed to receive. You can check out anytime you like, but you can never leave.